Hi, everyone. So thank you for the intro. I'm Mariam. I'm a senior field engineer at Arcee AI, and we're a frontier research lab with a commercial focus. Today, I hope to make the case to you of why SLMs are the best candidate for multi-agent systems. So let's get started. LLMs, we've seen what's possible with them over the last couple of years, generalized knowledge, breadth, and also depth. But with SLMs, we have unlocked a new wave of progress with a focus on domain adaptation, flexible deployment, and speed. All of the things that are necessary for multi-agent systems. So why now? SLMs are ushering in a new standard when it comes to language models. Performance per parameter. Multi-agent systems need models that are flexible, have speed, and modularity. There are a few task-specific requirements when it comes to building multi-agent systems that I've listed here. And when it comes to selecting the right model, we might ask ourselves where to start. And typically, one would think looking at the benchmarks. But for a couple of the reasons on these slides, that's not always the best case. Performance saturation, evals missing the mark when it comes to the complexity of these systems, and more. What teams actually need are low latency, high control systems that they can customize, that are ready to deploy anywhere, and can be tuned with specialized knowledge and purpose-built components that can be part of a larger system. So you might be asking yourself, what's holding me back at this stage? Well, first, unwinding this designs of systems that were built around LLMs is a high-effort task. Also, it doesn't help that we may have a tendency to think that bigger models are better, but that's not always the case. That's why at Arcee AI, we're going all in on open models. Now and moving forward, all of our models will be Apache 2.0, and openness has been a core value since the inception of the company. And we hope to enable you to build with more agency in doing so. Let's look at a use case in production. With SK Telecom, we looked at building a language model or customizing an SLM for an internal travel assistant. And using fine-tuning in RL, we trained this model to be better at planning capabilities, and it outperformed GPT-4o on internal, external benchmarks. I want to show you some key lessons from the field here. We know how to start with prompting. We know the power of fine-tuning in RL, but in between, we posit that you can lean more on tool use and task decomposition to increase the proficiency of your SLM systems. A few key take-homes from today I'd love you to walk away with. SLMs can outperform LLMs when aligned to the task. Customization starts with prompting and then can be further improved with RL, but open models are the only way to actually leveraging these powerful tools. You can access my slides to this presentation here. Thank you so much for listening. And again, it's Mariam from Arcee AI. I look forward to meeting with anyone who has questions after this, and I hope you all enjoyed the conference. Thank you.